Hey everybody and welcome to the floor. This video marks the first in a wee series of videos I'm going to be doing entitled Shit or Legit. I don't want you wasting your money or being disappointed with online purchases. Who really wants to support a brand that doesn't actually care about the goth scene but just exploiting it to make a bit of money? Now I get offered to do a lot of fashion hauls and reviews, and I only accept the ones from the brands that I like and trust, because I will only ever recommend you things that I think are good. Even if I am offered payment to say that something is good, I won't, because I won't lie. Normally I don't accept proposals to do videos for websites that I'm not really sure about, but you know, I think everything deserves a chance, so I bring you this wee series of videos trying brands and websites of uncertain repute that sell goth stuff, often very cheaply, to see if they're legit or if they're shit. I will judge and at the end give my verdict. So today we are looking at the Halloween range from Modakawa. Moda as in fashion, kawa as in kawaii, cute. So cute fashion. I've got a big parcel of things to show you and review. These are styles that I've seen advertised around a lot, so let's have a look at them. So Modakawa has a big Halloween and gothic section sort of on its website, especially at the moment, but most things didn't come in my size. Most were small, medium or large, which was way too tiny. At the moment I'm a UK size 16. I am trying to lose a bit of weight, and using their size guide I had to pick triple XL for everything. The sizes on some of these items go up to 5XL. Asian brands though, they are very small, so I'm used to picking large sizes. And I was 14 years old the last time I went to Japan, and even then hardly anything fit me. I'll just quickly show you everything and then we will try it all on. First item is this dress, this one with purple on it. It came in a variety of different color choices. Here's the item picture. I'm so sorry, you're gonna have to hear baby noises in the background. I'm trying to get him to be quiet, but he just won't. My darling. Next we have this orange one. This also came in a variety of different colors. I chose orange because I thought it was the most Halloween-y. It was sort of pumpkin-y with some nice velvety bats on, because you can't see things if I just hold them like this. So here's the product photo. This was the one I was looking forward to getting the most, I think, because it was my favorite style. It's black and red, it's my colors, it's tartan. I like tartan. That's what it looks like there. We're coming up with a case of expectations versus reality. This as well, or this here, look wherever you want. Here's the picture. And I thought this, well, it looked really cute, right? And the sizes go way up. This is it here. I will now try everything on, and then we will look at the accessories. I also thought I'd order a pair of shoes. I love shoes. I have something like 50 pairs of interesting shoes. I used to be kind of into the Lolita thing when I was a bit younger, so I did actually have some like little cute kind of shoes a bit like this. Pair of shoes and a couple of accessories, so we'll look at those last. Let us commence the trying on of things. Cue modeling sequence. Do you see what I mean when I say it looks like a costume? Like, it does kind of remind me of the sort of thing I might have worn to an ice skating competition as a little girl. As a costume, I feel like it's quite fine. Like, it's not badly made. It doesn't look like it's gonna fall apart anytime soon, but yeah, I wouldn't wear it as clothes. Does that make any sense? It's very, very stretchy. I don't know how well you can tell on camera. Like, do you see what I mean? This fabric is like this fabric. Thin, stretchy, lycra kind of stuff. The price is $32.99, which is 55 New Zealand dollars. This one's unfortunately way too big, which hardly ever happens on me these days. Putting this on because I hate showing off my bare arms. I even tried putting a belt around the waist, but that could not save it, unfortunately. Notwithstanding the fact that it does not fit me whatsoever, unfortunately, it does have the same costumey feel as the other one. I think this one's like a little bit better. Like, if it fit, it might be passably okay. The buttons are quite interesting. They're actually like through the material rather than sewn on. Weird. The colour's alright, but yeah, it's just really got that same costumey ness to it. I thought this would make a really nice little Halloween dress, but again, it's just like the fabric's just not good, not good. This one's probably the most disappointing because it is the one that I was most looking forward to. The day that this parcel arrived was the day that I was going to a family member's birthday party, and I was like, oh, I can wear that dress, and then I tried it on and was like, no, I can't. It's a cute design, but the quality of it is that of a Halloween costume. That's just my opinion, like something you would buy in a costume shop. So I guess like if that's all you wanted, something to wear to a party once, but I feel like the prices are kind of high for something that you're gonna wear once. Oh my god! One of the buttons just came off. Like, I just brushed it. No. Seriously? Look at this. The buttons are glued on. They're not even so, wow, that's so lazy. Really, that is so sad. That is such a shame. I feel like this would be a really cute design if it was in good fabric and made properly. It's just costume quality. I can't wear this to go see my family. This part's cotton, but the rest of it's that same cheap stretchy stuff. Kinda see-through. Wow, what a pity. Done. I guess this one's like okay, like, I suppose. I mean, it's a cool design. I like this. The straps aren't made of leather or even pleather. They're made of what looks like cheap ribbon from the $2 shop. Pretty flimsy. The O-rings are plastic. They're just made of plastic, I think. Bit of this sort of thing going on. Like, you can't really see it, but nah. I do sort of wonder how well these will stay on though. It's not printed into the fabric, it's printed on the fabric, you know, it's got that kind of slightly rubbery feel. I mean, I don't know that much about different kinds of printing. The kind that's on the fabric that you can feel it raised, you know. It's better, but it's not good. I feel like this, for the quality that it is, ought to be a lot cheaper. It's $30 US, $29.99. I just think, oh, it's so cheeky, like just using ribbons here to make it look like a harness. Despite being extremely unforgiving on the figure. What figure? It does fit me well, so that's something. I just realized I'm wearing the cardigan inside out. That's embarrassing. Can you tell that I haven't had enough sleep for 8 months? Now this one is better. It came with the string separately so you can lace it up and adjust it, so that's nice. But yeah, this dress is actually kind of cool. The material on the body of the dress is nice. It's comfortable and soft. The sleeves are cool. These are like wings. Wings. Whoa. Woo. I just want to do this for a while. So I'm pleasantly surprised this one is kind of a lot nicer. Let's look at the details. This time the O-rings might be metal, and the straps, although pretty thin, let's be honest, are at least pleathery stuff. It's a funny noise. So I like this one probably the best so far. Yeah, price on this one is $37.99, which again to me is like way too much. Come on. Come on, I want to believe. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh! It broke, like broke. Oh my god, am I gonna be able to get this off again? It's gonna be a bit hard to show you this without some extreme impropriety. So let me give you my review of this item. So I tried this on the other day and I could get it done up, apart from the fact that the zip has now just completely busted on the second time I've put it on. This is a triple XL, going up my ass and up bad places. The wings are made of what looks and feels like a kind of felted cardboard. What is this material? It's not felt, it's not cardboard, it's kind of halfway between. I could barely get the hood over my head. It's laughably bad, or cryably bad, because the price for this was $46, which in New Zealand is nearly $80. Everything I ordered was about the same size, and yet a couple of things were huge and one was tiny. Now they had another very similar item listed, for which they had used photos from a Leg Avenue product, which I actually own. It's a bat hoodie made of polar fleece, which is actually really good and cozy, and I pretty much lived in that thing. But this, I can't wear this. Oh wow, I just saw a really beautiful bird fly past. Wow, come back beautiful bird. When I initially tried this on, it did look hilariously bad, ill-fitting, but now it's just busted, so bugger! Here we have some gloves. I'm a big fan of lace and mesh gloves, and these actually seem quite nice. I like this, how there's like just a thumb and the rest of the fingers are open. These are the sort of thing that I would wear all the time to death with lots of different sorts of outfits. They've got a wee frilly trim on each end. These are soft, simple, comfortable, a wee bit stretchy. Can't go wrong. I think of everything, this will be the thing that I actually use. Give me a sec, it might take me a moment to negotiate these onto my legs. Now these tights are actually okay. They're quite large, they're a lot larger than I was expecting. I can pull them all the way up to my waist. They actually feel okay. I feel like they would actually look pretty cool with like another solid color pair of tights underneath, like red or white, like that would look probably pretty cool. So yeah, the tights are good. I like the tights. Let's hear it for the tights. The shoes, however. So they've got frilly bits and bat wings and heart-shaped hardware and little platforms. So they're very cute. They feel so fragile. On the bright side, they fit me perfectly, so their sizing chart was spot on. As for quality, they remind me of a pair of homemade shoes I was given once. They're really light, and whatever they're made of kind of reminds me of duct tape. You shouldn't be able to do this to a pair of good shoes, and they're not cheap either. These were $42. You know, it's a specialty sort of design, but come on. I think this might be plastic or like extremely thin metal. You can see some of the glue there, and I found, I don't know why I tested this, but if I like squeeze the sole, it dents and stays that way. What? The last thing we've got to try on is this. I hope this fits me. I'm not 100% sure how it goes on. It goes on your legs. These confused the hell out of me to start with because they weren't exactly assembled the way that they go on, but I persevered and we got there. I think these bottom bits are meant to wrap around twice, but my legs aren't quite so skinny. These come in one size only. Well, the rest of it sort of fits, you know, it's just like I can't wrap this around twice. It's not amazing, but it's not terrible either. I mean, I feel like if I poked some different holes in it or something, maybe I could make the straps fit a wee bit better. It might actually make a interesting kind of accessory. Fortunately, it's nowhere near as flimsy as the like fake harnesses on those two dresses. Ooh, hit a snag. Can you even see that? I don't know if you can, but this O-ring here, it isn't sealed, so I could like easily pull that open, I think. I feel like with this, I would have to wear it for a day or two to see if it survives. My first impression, apart from not fitting me super well, is that it's fine, I suppose. My feeling with these things is that they're more like costumes than actual clothes. Like, I think they'd be okay for a costume party or a cosplay, like a weekend, because I can't foresee these shoes surviving a music festival. Or maybe even, you know, a wet day. I'm gonna say that probably a lot of the stuff comes from a variety of different manufacturers. So maybe it's a bit hit and miss, I don't know, but they've been mostly misses, unfortunately. This was sent to me and I feel like if I'd bought it, I'd be really disappointed. The quality of that little back romper, my god, I can't believe it. I don't think I would wear most of these things out in the world, but for a Halloween party, why not? At the end of the day, it's up to you where you shop. I feel like Modakawa might be a bit hit or miss. Today it was mostly misses. So based on what I've seen today, I'm afraid my verdict for Modakawa is sorry, but I have to be honest, I cannot lie. They did offer to pay me for this video, but I don't think they will now. But, you know, hey, I'm not gonna promote something that's just not good. I'm not gonna tell you to waste your money on something that's gonna fall apart like the second time you wear it. Yeah. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not already done so. Thanks very much for watching and having this experience with me. As always, take care of yourself, be nice to each other, and I'll see you next time. Bye.